We will continue with our next presenting company. Our last presenting company, we welcome Davina, CEO of Element Apothec. Welcome, Davina, are you here with us?
Hi, how are you doing today?
Hello, welcome, Davina.
Hi, I'm working on sharing my screen, and thank you for the flexibility today. My internet went out, fun challenges of working from home, but I hope that everybody's having a good day today. So can you see the screen?
I can see the screen, I can see you and hear you perfectly.
All right.
Thank you, Davina.
I hope everyone's having a great day. And Brad, I really appreciate you putting on another incredible event. I'm Davina, the CEO and co-founder of Element Apothec. Element Apothec is a mission-driven brand creating high-quality CBD wellness and body care products. Using the healing power of nature and innovations in science, we help customers live a better life every day. Element Apothec launched just over 5 months ago, and we already have a growing base of passionate customers and exciting retail partnerships, typically reserved for much more established brands. Our customers love us and retailers want to work with us. Part of the reason we are excelling right now is because of the problems that exist in the current market. There is a lack of trust in this space due to limited regulations, with so many bandwagon brands and white label products using toxic and harmful ingredients with little medical oversight and a lack of innovation. Also, there's a lack of education, with 70% of consumers not even understanding what CBD is or the endocannabinoid system. Element Apothec was started from the ground up due to a need for safe and clean products. We were born in a kitchen, not a lab. When nearly a decade ago, my great aunt couldn't find safe products to help her symptoms from multiple medical conditions and life stressors, she created products that helped her and countless others. Today, those time-tested formulations have found new life as we partner with integrated practitioners and bring them to the world. Element Apothec will be a market leader by competitively differentiating ourselves to become a trusted brand. In everything we do, we are actively designing for the qualities of trustworthiness, as shown through our certifications, our commitment to clean, high-quality products, our pending B Corp status, and our commitment to sustainability and radical transparency. Additionally, by working with the regulatory advisor, we are exceeding compliance regulations and preparing for any future regulatory legislation. And with our commitment to consumer education, we empower consumers with the knowledge to live better lives every day. We are leading the market with our doctor-driven functional formulations using CBD and other minor cannabinoids like CBG, CBN, and plant-based remedies. And we continue to develop new products to address specific health concerns and challenges. We have an incredible team to lead this charge, starting with myself, with 20 years of experience in leadership development, startup strategy, in the recruiting, tech, and B2C space. We have our Chief Scientific Officer, Dr. Swati, an integrative pharmacist, published clinical researcher, and a CBD medical consultant. And David Crowther, who's our COO, with 25 years extensive experience in media and operations. And all of this is supported by our advisory board to give us the advice and guidance we need in their respected areas to lead our company to success. And as you know, the market is expanding rapidly. The CBD market is expected to expand to over $16 billion. Sorry, I lost my voice. Currently, the top 20 companies make up only 17% of the market. And as a result, we have an opportunity for exponential growth. Based on our business model, we have a reachable goal of $54 million with our unit economics of 3-to-1 and averaging of our, sorry, I have lost my train of thought, sorry. Our business model incorporates both B2C and B2B, as well as subscriptions. We really understand our customer, and we plan to reach them through multiple marketing efforts, That includes social media, PR, content marketing, as well as digital marketing as well. We are just kicking off some of these efforts again as we just launched our sales in December. And how does Element Apothec stack up? Although the space is extremely competitive, Element Apothec really stands apart from the leading brands with our doctor-formulated products, commitment to clean and safe ingredients, our focus on education, and our positive impact in the world. Having just launched our products, we have some incredible traction and validation already. We have commitments with retail partners. We are really proud of our exclusive partnership with Verdi Farm Health, a medical GPO group, giving us access to 1,400 clinical doctors, as well as participating in clinical studies. We have certifications and other partnerships that give us access to really great communities. And we understand in this space that there is a lot of opportunity for mergers and acquisitions. That's where we really intend to have our exit strategy. We are currently raising $500,000 through a convertible note with a $4 million valuation, a 10% discount, 7% interest. We expect this will give us a run rate of approximately 1 year to continue to meet our goals. Element Apothec is really the promise of better for all. Thank you so much.
Great, Davina, thank you. Is there any questions for Davina?
Davina?
Yes.
So with regards to raising capital, do you have the strategy as far as what the near-term and long-term needs are to get you to 54 million?
Yeah. Yes, correct. So we're really looking to raise this money. A lot of it's going to be obviously spent, as the slide said, on marketing, as well as inventory to be able to keep up with the demands of the retail partnerships that we expect, as well as clinical trials that we're starting. But we expect this will really give us that opportunity to be able to expand and to gain the brand awareness and traction that we need to be competitive in this space.
Thank you.
Hi, Davina. John Thompson here. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Great presentation. These brands, they just seem to get better and better, and I'm sure you guys in a couple of years will be very, very good. I've heard stories like this where people start from nothing, and 2 years later they're talking about a $20 to $30 million brand, primarily online. So what you're saying is right on the money. I like the brand. I like what it has behind it. So I wanted to say that right out front. Are you guys going to primarily do the consumer part of it, the branding part of it, or are you looking to are you also looking for manufacturing, or what's the deal?
Yeah, so currently right now, I mean, we do manage all of the formulations. They were developed internally. We're continuing to develop products. We're actually in partnership with a couple companies to develop products with them through licensing as well. In terms of manufacturing, that's something that we will look to potentially expand to. Currently right now, we work with a manufacturer co-packer to produce our products, but depending on the cost and where we grow, that might change. So that's something that we're not taking off of the plate, but for currently right now, we're working with a co-packer and really looking to manage all of the brand and product formulations, marketing, sales.